nyime. Wene jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua kwa jokenya modak e piny Afrika ma milambo mondo obed e ong'ala manyime nyiewo mwandu molos pachoka. Romo mane obedogo nyoro wacho ni giketo chenro kod mbetre Kenya e pinyno mar neno ni mwandu mag Kenya choponegi mar jiwo jopiny e pinjegi tiyo kodgi. Notene kod jambetre piny Kenya piny mar Afrika ma milambo John Ndurumo kanyakla kod jokanyo e riwruoge mag ohala tok bedo e nyasi mar chamuma mar jatend pinyno Cyril Ramaphosa.
Did they think about how we can market our coffee and tea here? Because we've got good coffee. Yeah, you guys as business people here think how you can import the beans and then you can roast them here and package them here. It's something that we can always work together. On the issue of the boarded warehouse, further to the discussion that you had with the CS Moses Kuria, I'm going to do some follow-up with the CS Rebecca Miano to find out what happened. And I think this is something that is very desirable because people want to buy in bulk. So if we can get a boarded warehouse where Kenyans of all walks of life can bring their goods, I think you guys who are here can market our product. And we have got